there, I'm back. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I'm here with another one of my 22 tips to really help you boost your immunity and feel fabulous and really handle all this crazy stress in light of what's going on in the world today. This tip is pretty obvious again. It's to avoid simple sugars, to avoid processed food, junk food. Did you know that your blood test shows lab evidence that sugar can really lower your immune system with only 30 minutes, within 30 minutes of eating simple sugars, things like glucose, refined sugar, and fructose. And they can cause 50%, get that 50% reduction in your white blood cells' ability to kill germs. Your white blood cells are what attack all the germs in your body. You want as many of those as you can get. So get the sugar, especially the processed sugar, out of your body. You can eat natural sugars like fruits and things like that, but get the processed sugars out of your body. And be careful, they're in everything. So don't just read the nutrition label, read the ingredients. It'll tell you. And anything with an OSE at the end of it, that's sugar, baby, yep. So if you like this tip and you want more tips to build your immunity, click on over to my website at kathrynchess.com and enjoy my 22 tips to really get your immunity to where you need it and feel fabulous. And while you're there, check out my 3 Months to Thrive programs. They help take your health and your healing to a much deeper level, transforming your relationship not only with food, but with life. Can't wait to see you there. Enjoy, reach out with questions, and know that I love you. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I'm standing for you to get healthy and well, and let's get through this crisis together. Thank you, thank you, thank you.